Hi everyone, today I'm gonna teach you guys how to master the Theology Advanced Vocabulary. In case you don't get it, I'm here to help you guys, okay? Please ask. It's my job to help you guys. Salut chers amis, j'espère que vous allez très bien. Mbote na bandeko nyonso bozakola nanga, lelo nako tangisa bino ba vocabulaire en anglais, mais eza ba partie ya théologie, hein? Nalingi boye ba momo sunde to pronounce yango, okay? So nandenge pe to tanga yango, okay? How to master Theology Advanced Vocabulary. So when you take a look, we have Old Testament, we have also the New Testament, okay? So we have, in case you speak French, Ancien Testament, Nouveau Testament, okay? In case you speak French. So here, it's like, you see here, how old are you? Old Testament, okay? New Testament. So in French, we say Ancien Testament, Nouveau Testament, okay? In case you speak French. We have God, angels, demons, okay? God created angel and demons. God created heaven and earth. So when you take a look here, we have ED. This one in the past, because God already did it. Okay, you created in the past. That's it. We cannot say that to use the present tense. It's like God keep create the angel every day. No, and a demon. No. All right. So on the other video, I'm gonna cover about the verb. Okay, that way you guys know how to use them. Okay. We come here. Animals, tree, water, sun. So when you take a look, we have the sun I'm talking about is not like your child. No. Okay. So animals, tree, water, sun, night, day. Okay. So this one, okay, this sound like a sun. This one, you know, like SON, like your child or your kid. All right, it sounds like that. It is not. Elohim create the animals, water, sun, and night. So here in the past, okay, in the past, Adam, Eve, snake, lie, sin, work hard every day. Okay, so Eve and snake had a conversation. Okay, God hates sin. Okay, I'm here. Adam, Eve, Cain, Abel, Seth, sisters. Okay, this one, this is the part of Old Testament. Okay, we come here. Adam and Eve had Cain, Abel, Seth, and sister, because we don't know the sister's name. Okay, I just so we have Cain, Abel, jealousy, fight, death, sin. Okay, so Cain was the first criminal. Abel was the first human to face death. Adam and Eve were the first humans to lose their child. Okay? Again, in case you don't get it, Cain was the first criminal. Abel was the first human to face death. Adam and Eve were the first humans to lose their child. One more time. Cain was the first criminal. Abel was the first human to face death. Adam and Eve were the first human to lose their child. Okay, we come here. So we have Jacob, Rachel, Joseph, Benjamin, slavery, slavery. So when you take a look, we also have no escape. Okay, so we have these one are part of the Bible. Okay, in case you wanna know what's going on, I'm not preaching just to provide you guys the tool you need. Okay. So we have Jacob was mama's boy. Jacob and Rachel were the biological parents of Joseph and Benjamin. Again, Jacob was mama's boy. Jacob and Rachel were the biological parents of Joseph and Benjamin. Okay? So, this is what I'm saying. Jacob was mama's boy. Jacob and Rachel were the biological parents of Joseph and Benjamin. We come here, Moses, Aaron, 10 Commandments. We have the 5 books of Moses, the Promised Land, Hebrew. Okay, again, Moses, Aaron, 10 Commandments. We got here are the 5 books of Moses, the Promised Land, Hebrew. Okay. Moses was an African Asian. Moses was an Asian African. Moses was a Hebrew. Moses received the 10 Commandments. Okay? God, Jesus, the gospel, the 4 gospels. Okay? Matthew, Luke, John, Mark, Peter, Judas, Paul. Again, Matthew, Luke, John, Mark, Peter, Judas, Paul. Okay? Who wrote the Gospels? Matthew, Luke, John, Mark. So, we're gonna fix the other one there, okay? So, who wrote the Gospels? Matthew, Luke, Mark, and John were the disciples of Jesus. Paul never met Jesus. Again, who wrote the Gospels? Matthew, Luke, Mark, and John were the disciples of Jesus. Paul never met Jesus, okay? Religion leaders: Martin Luther, John Calvin, theologian, reverend, pastor. Again, religion leader: Martin Luther, John Calvin, theologian, reverend, pastor. Okay. God did not create any religions. Martin Luther was a German theologian. John Calvin was a French theologian. One more time. God did not create any religion. Martin Luther was a German theologian. John Calvin was a French theologian. Okay? So, here, God did not create any religion. Martin Luther was a German theologian. John Calvin was a French theologian. Okay? Yeah, so I'm gonna stop here for today. So thank you so much. In case you don't understand, please email me or contact me. I'm gonna try my best as I can to help you. So thank you so much. You guys take care. Bye bye.